Yo, what is going on? It is Wednesday, April 8th, 10:51 a.m. and today here is the P&L card. As you can see, nothing. Hated conditions today, man. Even in the morning. Like I said yesterday, Trump was said like he was going to erase a whole civilization. He pump faked. So what did we have overnight in reaction to that? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. A fucking 900 point overnight session, right? We already know that unless I see clear movement, clear direction, which direction was clear today. I'll say that. I don't want to say price was shit because direction was clear. But as far as the intraday movements going, it was super fucking ass as far as entry wise. Like I'll go over some entries I thought about taking, entries I faded and things such as that. So right at open, right? Look at this wick we leave, right? Boom, boom. So we SMT up here, just a little internal SMT. Where is ES is open? You can see ES stayed a little bit below all of this shit, like right next to it, hugging it. And then we just sold off from there, bro. We sold off from there. Never really had a set draw liquidity because we weren't going to be able to get anything to London. One thing I did want to take, I'm going to be honest, I did want to take this trade. I'll be 100% honest. I 110% wanted to take this trade. But if we take a look, no entry. I wanted to take this. Like, you see that? To these 15-minute equal lows would have been... All right, let me just move this down, please. Okay. That would have been like this. All right, bro. And it would have been just a little bit under it. Whatever, something like that, right? This would have been a great trade to me. Little 30-second inverse right there, boom. Break even probably like around here somewhere. And then just take that. And yeah, that would have been a great trade. But as you can see, drawn liquidity got fucking ramsacked at open. Open fucked it. Yeah, that would have been a great trade for me. In my opinion, like if we could have Judas swung higher and then came down after that, it would have been excellent, but open fucked that entire idea. Then we sold off a little bit, came back up. Nothing really to this 5-minute. I want to say there was really nothing as far as an idea goes to this 5-minute. I believe we had like a pair of equal lows somewhere in here. Oh, we had this London Asia like low, right? But again, even if we travel down to the 30-second, no entry. There was something in here that I think I was looking at. No, there wasn't. Excuse me. So nothing to that London 4-hour. Nothing higher to this 5-minute. So just still nothing, right? We then just sell off, burst through this London 4-hour. I think we were equal load for a bit. I mean, SMT'd for a bit. No, we weren't. I'm tripping. My fault. My apologies, family. Yeah, and then right when I had this idea to get into this 15-minute, this was mostly like the next trade idea because also, oh, here it is. We had this 1 minute up to this 5, but for some reason it wasn't like I didn't have a great feeling about this 1 minute up to this 5. I just felt as though we were too bearish and like the 5-minute might have not been strong enough. I don't know. But I did feel this 15-minute because once I started seeing candles like this, I knew we could have used this volatility as momentum if the displacement showed to give me a valid entry, correct? And also I liked this one more because it was that 1 minute stacked with the 30-second kind of vibe. As you can see right here, we had the 1 minute. I, of course, would have wanted to see the 1 minute close. And we had a little bit higher. We had that 30-second, if you know what I mean. This would have been the trade. But look at the fucking accumulation we then got into. Once like 10:05 hit, like I was waiting on a 10 a.m. open lower, maybe SMT internally, and then we start displacing higher, get into this 15-minute, just switch order flow completely. But once like 10:05, 10:10 range hit, I'm not gonna lie, I was not paying attention, bro, to the charts at all. I'm gonna be 110% honest. Once we started accumulating like this, I'm like, cool, I just need to see a break. I want to see us break away in one direction and cause momentum to be present. Like I would want to see clear direction. We just accumulated. Like we're still oh no, we started selling off now. So we spent 30 minutes of accumulation, 38 minutes of accumulation damn near. And then even down here by 10:45, I was like, bro, I'm good. It's not even 11 yet. But even still, there would have been no form of an entry to this Asia low, which was the obvious draw liquidity for the day. Let's go into some trades that I did fade. Will took this 1 minute, this 30-second, right? There's a 30-second in here, as you can see right here. And then this black line was like the close of the 1 minute. So he waited on the close of the 1 minute, targeting these equal highs. Cool. In hindsight, you know, it not in hindsight, but like mechanically, confluence wise, it seems cool, but I already gotten fucked over too many times for not recognizing poor conditions, and I was perfectly fine sitting out. I would not have felt good if I won or lost this trade. And if a trade feels like that, I should not be entering, which is what I stayed away from, right? So I didn't take it. And it ended up, this would have been my entry. The 1 minute. Equal highs. Stop right here. So I would have gotten, you know, we would have closed right there. I would have gotten tagged in right here. I wouldn't have gotten break even until we went over here. So I would have gotten fucked. I would have lost, and I would have been fucking pissed and heated. Then we just, like, still accumulation. So I already recognized that market conditions were so poor. Even though we had this, you could obviously see, like, maybe there's AMD going on. Maybe, you know, we try to catch, like, that AMD leg. But, no, why am I cut? My cut clean, though. But, like, it's low-key fading away. It's been 2 days, man, fuck. But, yeah, as I was saying, then we're still accumulating. Then there was this 30-second here to these equal highs. And I believe this still, we had, like, a 15-minute, right? Did the 15-minute end up opening right there? No, it didn't. It did not. I think there was a 30-minute that opened. Yeah, 30-minute. Excuse me. Lined up with midnight. I would have, maybe if you caught me with it, maybe if you caught like crazy displacement, like if this momentum just shot up right here, you might have caught me on eval on it. Not gonna cap. I might have taken on my eval, but then just nothing. And even now we're just still shit in the bed. Did we? No, we didn't get into this hourly. Oh, we S&T with it. Even now, bro, maybe, look, there's not even like a 5 minute to target. Look, like something like this wouldn't be too shabby though right now. Let's see what we got cooking up. Boom. Something like this right now would not actually be shabby. Nah, I'll go one lower just because I don't like conditions. If it displaces through something like this, I would not hate, but it's already time for me to get off the charts and call it a day. But yeah, that was today, man. That's the reason why I didn't take a trade, and I'm not mad at it. I don't feel like I was scared. I don't feel like I bitched out of anything. I feel as though it was just smart reading. Like this, Will took this trade, this 1 minute that I was talking about, and he lost. Unfortunately, I feel as though I seen it unfolding, and I'm texting Eli like, yo, bro, I'm not taking this. Like, I hate conditions right now, and I've learned my lessons through trading through poor conditions and choppy markets. You don't want to get caught up in accumulation. I'm good. I'm not eager to. I'm already 2-0 this week. Unfortunately, last week, you know, unfortunately yesterday, my apologies. My copy trade didn't trade, so I'm gonna just take it calm. There's still Thursday. There's still Friday, man. Gonna be grateful for all opportunities presented. Gonna act upon valid opportunities presented, and I'm just gonna understand and respect the market in every way, shape, or form. So yeah. Oh, this might actually be saucy. This genuinely might be kind of saucy. This genuinely might be kind of saucy right now. The 15-minute just opened right now. Let's see how saucy this can be. This genuinely might be kind of saucy. See what the risk would be. Now you guys are like seeing, now I'm seeing myself in live time unfold. Oh wow, this is actually very fire. Oh shit. I ain't saying that I'm holier than thou, but I'd much rather now. Gotta clean my shit up. Oh, my bad. I was looking at eval, so that's why it says so much. It's 2:30 and I'm calling on your name. I could really light risk it. I could really light risk it like this. I genuinely don't hate this trade. But it's already past 11. I'm going to forward test this trade. It's past 11, so I need to respect my rules. I'm low-key just going to sit here on here. Like, if you want to click off now, you can click off, but this isn't too shabby. But hit up Eli, let Eli know. Be like, yo, like, this is what I'm like looking at right now, bitch ass nigga. All right, actually, I'm just gonna. I know I'm not taking this. It's 11:01. I have my stipulations. It's so tempting though. This is like a very not bad. No, I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna watch it. Lake Como. Did we tag in any 1 minute? No. Inverted that 1 minute. Inverted that 1 minute. Still have that 30-second up there. I'm respecting it now. But yeah, I'm just gonna head out. I know I'm not taking this. So peace, love, positivity. Thank you for tuning in. I'm sorry I made you wait a little bit longer. Much love.